When you're ready for the best, Acura of Peoria. It's our team that's made us number one.
I think it's very fast-paced. Everybody wants to keep moving, but at the same time, everybody does take the time to acknowledge each other. Everybody's very welcoming. You walk through the hall and everybody says, "Good morning, good morning." You never get a shy face. Everybody's always happy to see everyone. So you would say everybody's happy to come to work every day. I mean, we always want to make them happy. The glass is part of your safety equipment, so if something's wrong with your glass, we want to get that taken care of, and we want to help out any customer that comes in, whether they have an Acura or not. So we definitely want to put our customers first when they have issues like that, whether it be their windshield or their door glasses. I know a lot of people get burglarized and their door glasses to get broken out. We always like to make those first priority with them. We definitely like to live up to our name for them to be able to refer to us. So all the dealerships that are saying, "Oh yes, go to Arrowhead, they're the best." So we definitely want to live up to that. And we do service the collision center and a lot of other body shops. So we do a lot of the body work for them also.
When you're ready for the best,